Right, this next video is going to be more on if you were working on something that doesn't come in the format that your recipe calls for. Like for instance, my recipe calls for ground or mild Italian sausage uncased. They don't sell that, but they sell sweet Italian style sausage, cased already. And I have this little bowl that I got from a takeout place. It's actually a really good one. There's plenty of ways to open packages, but I'm just going to use a knife. You do whatever you see fit based on the package that you're working with. This one just doesn't have any kind of any easy peel section, so kind of have to use a knife. This, well, it's going to be working with raw meat, so it may look a little gross, but there's two ways to do it if you are working with, apparently I poked this one a few times already, so I'll do it this way, the one way. But basically, the one way is you can take a knife and poke along and just gently drag it to the end and then just peel it out of the case. There may be a few reasons why you might not want to do it that way. So that's entirely up to you. The other way, which is more difficult but less problematic, and I guess what you can throw out afterwards is less messy, is to basically just slide it out. And once you get to a certain point where it's not doing that, you just basically pinch somewhere further back to squeeze it out. And you can just do that, it will come out at both ends, possibly at the same time. And it's pretty quick, but it's very hands-on and may leave some remnants inside the casing. I'm just going to stop the video if I can, actually, because you get the point.